Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare JetBrains versus VSCode. We will explore their core philosophies, highlighting how each tool approaches software development. JetBrains offers deeply integrated environments tailored for specific languages, providing a comprehensive suite of features out of the box. On the other hand, VSCode is a lightweight, highly extensible editor, allowing you to build your ideal setup with thousands of available extensions. Let's dive into the specifics to help you decide which one best fits your workflow. JetBrains products, like IntelliJ IDEA for Java or PyCharm for Python, are renowned for their deep language integration. They offer intelligent code completion, advanced refactoring, and powerful debugging tools that understand your project's context. You'll find built-in support for testing frameworks, version control, and even database management, all within one cohesive environment. While these features come with a commercial license and can be resource-intensive, they provide an unparalleled development experience for dedicated projects. VSCode stands out for its lightweight nature and incredible flexibility. As a free, open-source editor, it's incredibly accessible and boasts a massive community. Its strength lies in its vast marketplace, offering tens of thousands of extensions that transform it into a powerful IDE for virtually any language or task. This extensibility allows for deep customization, letting you craft an environment perfectly suited to your preferences. It's known for quick startup times and efficient resource usage, making it ideal for many developers. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your specific needs. If you work primarily with one language on large, complex projects, a JetBrains IDE might offer the most integrated and productive experience, despite its commercial cost. For developers who switch between multiple languages, prefer a free and highly customizable setup, or need a lightweight editor for quick tasks, VSCode is an outstanding choice. Consider your project's scale, team requirements, and personal workflow to make the right decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.